Hello, and welcome to the Boat Sheet section. Here, you'll be able to create a detailed list of participants for your diving center's boat trips. Before getting started, you need to define the boats in use and the crew members. You can do this by clicking on Settings and then selecting Advanced Settings. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll find the Boat Sheet Configuration section, where you can enter 1. List of boats. Enter the boat's name and the maximum number of guests, including crew members. Once you've entered this information, click the Add button. 2. Crew members. Enter the first and last name of each crew member and click Add after each entry. Once you've completed this essential setup for the boat sheet, don't forget to click the Save button. Now that you've configured these parameters, you can return to the previous page. Here, you'll find a section called Information for the Boat Sheet. This is where you'll enter all the details about the trip to create a complete and accurate document. Enter the date, time, boat name, dive site, captain's name, and, if applicable, the instructor, dive guide, and crew members. Next, it's time to select the participants for the trip. In the section below, you can search for users using different criteria, such as name, email, or type of signed document. You can also apply filters to find documents signed within the last few days, or search for users who submitted their forms within a specific period, for example, from August 1st to August 10th, making it easy to find the participants you're looking for. Below that, the List of Submissions section will display all users that meet your search criteria. Select the desired participants from the list. At the top right, you'll see a red indicator showing the number of remaining available seats on the boat. This helps you avoid overbooking. At any time, you can click the dedicated button to view the list of participants. Finally, you can download a PDF file containing all participant names and details. Once printed, this document will be useful both for attendance checks in case of inspections by the Coast Guard and for having a clear overview in case of emergencies. For example, to know who is still diving or who is on board. Thank you for choosing our software. Happy diving!